Hi everyone, City here. Today we have a Garland oven with the 6 hot plates here in the top. A few days ago we tried to clean this stove and to check it, if everything is all right, everything is working. But we found out that two knobs or two switches are broken, or one of them actually is totally broken and damaged, as you can see here, and one of them is a little wiggly, as you can see here, like this. And it shouldn't be like this, because if you continue to use it like this, automatically will end up with a broken rotary like this. So we ordered 2 new parts. They are original parts, so to make everything clear and to prepare this for work again. Anyway, to access this panel or switch panel, to replace the switch for this, the rotary switch, and this one that is already broken, we have 4 screws under here. There's one here, and there's another one here, and another one here, I can see, and another one here. Anyway, it has 4 screws. We will have to take them off to access this panel, the switch panel. 1, 2, 3. Before you pull the 4th one, it's always good to hold this up with your hand like this, so it doesn't fall off. Sometimes it does, but just it's always good like this. As you can see, the wires, usually they are marked with some numbers. They are labeled with the numbers, but sometimes these numbers, with the use, sometimes you don't find them or you can't read them. So we mark the wires with the different colors of the tape, just for the reason of safety. And let's get started. We will put this one like this, the switch. It's very easy. It has 2 bolts or 2 little screws, as you can see them here. Yeah, hold this. I always started them with my fingers. Oops. They are very tiny ones, so you have to be patient with them. Let's do this so we will pull the switch and hold it in the place for us. It will help. We will put the next one. It's a very easy job. That's good. Then you come back to your switch, and you can check in this one that is still good. It has the wire with the red tape in the top, so we will push it in the top like this. The next one will be the green. The next one will be the white. And the last, we didn't put any, we didn't mark it because we only have 4 here. And you have to put your supply in wires, as you can see, the black here and the black here in the top and the red in the bottom. Then now it's time to put your the knob hub. This has a bolt with the Allen head, so you will need a tool like this or something like this. You know, it doesn't have to be exactly like this, but you need something to unscrew this thing, the little screw. Then you put your panel back. Like this, and you have to tighten it. Then you push in the knob. When you hear it like this, you see it's nice and tight, and that's how it needs to be. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and please continue to support our channel, you know, by subscribing, and stay greasy, and thank you very much. You have a good day.